Morning, everyone. It's Mr. Bauer with your weekly update for the week of May 4th. I hope you all had a great weekend. Just a couple of reminders. Your course selection forms are due on Friday, May 8th. Your parents should have gotten an email last week from me with details about how to fill out that form. So please make sure those get in by Friday. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Also today, don't forget there are extra help opportunities from 9 to 10 math, 10 to 11 science, 11 to 12 humanities, 12 to 1 language, 1 to 2 art, drama, media lit, and then study group and performing arts between 2 and 3 this afternoon. Please be sure to contact your teachers if you plan to attend so they have a sense of who's coming. Finally, a list of activities for this week. As I mentioned, study group this afternoon from 2 to 3, and Ms. Fab is also doing a sewing activity from 2 to 2:45. I will post the link up on Google Classroom. A couple new things this week. Miss Freeman's going to be hosting the lunch table on Tuesday for 6th grade, Wednesday for 7th grade, and then Thursday for 8th grade. This is just an opportunity for you to come together as a class, as if you were in craft dining hall, just hanging out together, having some conversation, and eating together. Tuesday afternoons, jump rope workout with Jana, 2:50 to 3:30, and kickboxing with Myron on Thursday from 3 to 3:45. If you're interested in any of those activities, all of the links will be up on Google Classroom. Have a great week.